Hey Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to install and try the WhatsApp native app for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now I am on Windows 11, but you can also do this on Windows 10. Is WhatsApp web getting you down? Try the new WhatsApp native app for Windows 10 and 11 and reclaim your chatting experience on your desktop. And this does work a lot more smoother and faster than the WhatsApp web. So this is very easy. In order to download this, all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Store. It'll either be pinned on your taskbar or simply choose the Start menu and type in Microsoft Store. And you would find it under Apps, so go ahead and select that. Alright, once it's all opened up, from the search box, go ahead and type in WhatsApp, enter. And it's going to open up the WhatsApp desktop. Now this was recently still in beta mode, but I think that it is now complete and it's no longer in beta mode. So I'll go ahead and choose install. Alright, once it's done, go ahead and choose open. And you're going to need your smartphone now. So what you have to do is follow these instructions to use WhatsApp on your computer. Go ahead and open up WhatsApp on your phone. So bring out your phone and choose the three dots on the top right, and from there go ahead and choose settings, and then you're going to select, so it doesn't say link devices on mine, but it does have a QR code to the right of my WhatsApp name, so I'm going to choose that and select scan code, and I'm going to scan this QR code and then simply choose continue and choose OK. And then I'm going to simply choose link a device. And it's going to ask you to type in your password. So go ahead and do it. And it's going to ask you to scan it again. And as y'all can see, it has opened up WhatsApp on my computer. So I can use this to chat with any of my friends or do anything. So you can just open this up. And as y'all can see, you can use everything as you would on the computer. If you also choose here, it'll give you contact info. You can select messages, mute notifications, etc. You can also voice call or video call. And you have these options here, status. And you also have this. You can add a new chat, and you can choose the menu for more options. Alright, so if you also want to close this out, and say for example I want to come back to this, so you don't want to lose the page, you can simply still exit this out. And if you go back to it, go to the start menu and just choose WhatsApp. It'll bring you right back to it. So you don't need to redo the process and scan your QR code or any of that. All you have to do is simply open up the app. Once again, it'll bring you right back to where you left off, which is a really great feature. However, if you do want to disconnect it, you would go back to your smartphone and choose where it says Windows, and then you're going to choose log out. So now it automatically logs out from WhatsApp if I don't want it to be signed in on my computer. And simply exit this out. And now you are all logged out just for your own privacy. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like the video, share it to all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.